Welcome to Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2015 Coffee Mug Tutorials. I'm Johannes Gudmundsson, founder of Enecta, a Microsoft Gold certified partner. In this easy to follow instructional video series, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Dynamics NAV by using one simple item as an example, in this case a coffee mug. I'll walk you through how to create items, purchase orders, sales orders, track and manipulate inventory, and much more. So go ahead and grab your own cup of joe and let's get started, shall we? Hello again and welcome to the Coffee Mug Tutorials. What I wanted to show today is the number series in NAV and how we can change those out. Basically, the sales department has asked me to change out the number series for sales orders. Right now I'm looking at the sales orders in the system, and the number series is a sequence, 1000 and up, and then another sequence there's 101,000. And this is kind of confusing for the sales department. They would like to see SO, the letters SO in front of the sequence, and create two sequences, one that starts with 10,000, so SO 10,000 something, and another one that starts with 20,000, SO 20,000. And they want to be able to pick out of which sequence they are creating the sales order from. So I'm going to show you how to change that. We're going to go into the setup, so we go to sales and receivables, setup. And in here, and this is actually in most of the setups in NAV, we find a section or a tab called numbering. The numbering tab contains what number series are being used for what documents or postings, etc. And in here we are mostly concerned with the order numbers, and that's currently being taken by SORD1. So I'm going to drill into here, and I can actually hit advanced, and then I get into the number series list. This is the list of all number series in the system, and I actually want to create a new one here, and I'm going to call it SO new 1 sales orders 1. And if I hit F5, it actually clears it out. And if I click on lines here, it gives me the option of setting up how the number series is supposed to be. I can actually have a date where it starts, and it could have an expiration date as well. I'm not going to put that in, just have it start right away. And SO 10,000 was what they wanted. This is all good. I'll just hit OK. And I'm actually going to make that the default number series for the sales order. And I need to create one more. SO new 2, that's the alternative one. Sales orders 2. F5 again. That just refreshes the screen because it keeps the old information in there otherwise. Now I'm going to go to the lines and put this one as SO 20,000, like so, and get out of there. That's not a default because that's going to be the alternative. Now I'm going to relate this number series to that number series. I do that in the relationship. So I go in here and I pick the other number series, which was SO new 2. Now they're related, and I just hit OK. So now I want to hit OK on this one to get the new number in the order numbers in here. Now I should have changed the numbering on the sales orders. Now if I go into my sales order screen, which is right here, and hit new, I'm going to create a new one. If I hit enter, I get SO 10,000, which is perfect. However, what if I want to get the 20,000 one? Let me hit new again to just get a new one, I can actually hit these 3 buttons here, and that shows me the number series and also the number series that's related. Now if I want to pick the related one and hit OK, then I get the 20,000. So I can create relationship between the two. Now this works in all documents in NAV where they're tied into number series. Also works on entities like customers, vendors, items, and in journals and etc. And that's how we work with the number series in NAV.